everyone, welcome to Clever Engineering. Yes, today we are going to derive Ohm's law formulas. Okay, Ohm's law states that the current that flows through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage, provided that any other physical factors of the conductor are kept constant. The law states that this current I that flows through this entire conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage V, provided that the distance or other physical factors of the conductor, which are cross-sectional area and the length of the conductor, the size, are kept what? Constant. From the law, we can write that I, the current that flows through the metallic conductor, I, is directly proportional to what? The applied voltage, which is V. This same expression can be written as V will be directly proportional to what? I. It is the same thing as this first expression. So, to check this sign of proportionality, we are going to have a constant, and that constant is resistance. So, to check this sign of proportionality, we are going to have that V will be equals to I R, which R is constant. R is constant. So at constant I, the value of current will be equal to what? The applied voltage, in as much as the resistance and any other physical factors of the conductor are kept constant. So we can call this equation 1. We can call this one equation 1. So from this equation 1, we can make I the subject of the formula, make R the subject of the relation. So making I the subject of the formula, we bring the expression down and divide both sides by R. Divide both sides by R. Divided by R. If we take away this, we are going to have I is equals to V all over R. We can call this one equation 2. This is the second formula for Ohm's law. So for equation 1 also, we can make R the subject of the relation. Let us bring it down that V will be equals to IR. We're going to divide both sides, making R the subject of the relation. We're going to divide both sides by I. Here divided by I, here divided by I. I will take away I. We're going to be left with R will be equals to V all over I. We can call this one equation 3. So these are the 3 formulas for Ohm's law. And the easiest way to remember these 3 formulas is to represent them on a triangle. I want to draw a triangle and partition it into 3 segments. I'm going to put for equation 1 V equals to IR. The first segment will be V, the second one will be I, then the third one will be R. So whenever you are told to calculate V, cover V, you will see the product of I and R. So it will be equals to V. If you cover it, you are seeing the product of IR. That is this equation 1. If I should cover I, I'm going to see the product, I'm going to see V divided by R, which I will be equals to V divided by R, which is this equation 2. Then if I should cover R, I'm seeing V or what? I. V over I. So this is the easiest way to remember these 3 Ohm's law equations.